Upgrade your graphics card without replacing your power supply. JND's 6-pin to 8-pin PCIe adapter bridges the gap between your existing 6-pin PCIe power connections and modern 8-pin video cards. Featuring a 6-pin male to 8-pin female design, these 12-inch 30cm cables provide just the right amount of slack for clean case management. The 18 AWG tin copper wiring ensures stable power delivery, while the PVC jacketed flexible cable withstands tight bands without compromising performance. Our locking connector design prevents accidental disconnections during intense gaming sessions or GPU workloads. Each package includes 2 adapters, perfect for multi-card setups or keeping a spare. With JND's solution, there is no need for expensive PSU upgrades. Simply connect and power your 8-pin graphics card with confidence. Get yours today.